Your stomach growled?
Yeah.
Caught that on the video. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on Another, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Guys, you always know we are so excited. You guys didn't see any videos from me for a while, so I'm just gonna drop some content. Judah needs to get something for her nails, so we're gonna... I said you're just gonna get something for your nails, bruh. Anyway, she's gonna get something for her nails really quick. So we're gonna go on the road in Negril, try to find a little shop and see whatever. There is a boutique at this hotel, but of course it's a boutique. You don't got the ghetto stuff that we're trying to get.
But
so
that's not ghetto, that's like regular
you don't, but I want you to give out a little something or go on with your nails.
Common sense, come on.
If you have an idea of what's happening with her nails, drop it in the comments. If you guys have, you know, the nails thing, drop it in the comments and tell us what you think it is. Alright, let's go. Oh, let me get my glasses because let me tell you, man, the glare and the sun is something. Alright, now I look cool. Guys, I just cannot get over how beautiful it is here. And of course there. Yeah. Alright, let's do it. Yeah, guys, there was some aloe vera here and Judah's just like, what? We can't go on with some aloe vera. It's crazy. Oh boy. I brought my laptop? Yeah. Okay. So what did Judah get for her nails?
Nothing?
Did you Oh my gosh. That's everything? You want to get snacks?
I don't know.
Yeah, let's get some snacks.
What do you want?
Don't matter. So we're just getting some snacks because out of all of us, Judah eats the most. So, well, out of the both of us, Judah eats the most. So everything in here already is fair game, so.
I picked up two, so it's one of each. So, what are you trying to say?
We're good. We're good.
It's like grocery aisle.
No, snacks are on that side.
Is it? Okay.
So this is gonna be the cool part. What are the snacks that I like? Pick two snacks out of everything here that I might like.
Okay.
Okay, alright. I don't like cheese crunchies, but okay. Not really, no.
Oh, hold on.
Up top, alright.
You said two? That was two?
No, yeah, you can get more stuff. I'm gonna eat, I like Shirley biscuit. Yeah.
The regular one?
Yeah, the regular one. Yeah, forgive if you're seeing the flickering of the lights. I have no time to go into my settings to change the shutter rate or whatever right now. Yeah, so this is like a convenience store which is very close to the Rock House, which is really cool. It's maybe like 5 minutes away. You're not getting no juice, babes? Let's get some juice because they're gonna want to charge us for the what's in the minibar. So we can get the stuff that we would have drink. Okay. Yeah, key thing guys, sometimes when you go to the hotels, of course, the minibars are overcharged, so you can get your own stuff and stock in a minibar, then why not?
So hold on, how the cups stay?
Huh?
How the cuts stay when it comes to drinks and whatever?
As in to buy at the restaurant?
Yeah.
That different, you buy
No,
it.
I think do you have anything inclusive? Like what's inclusive?
I don't think nothing is inclusive.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, that's a key point that we need to mention. The hotel is not an all-inclusive hotel. So everything that you pay for, yeah. What is she gonna pick up?
Did you try the vanilla one?
I did try the vanilla one.
Did I get?
It's alright. You can pick up, okay, she picked up the canned one. Give me more than one, babes. And maybe like a cranberry juice. Yeah, so this is very close by, so we can easily stop by here again if we want to. So if you ever go to the Rock House, you do have options of coming here and getting your own groceries and your own snacks. Oh guys, before I forget to mention, Judah does have a YouTube channel where she does all the girly stuff and videos or what? Okay, she has a YouTube channel where she does all the manly stuff, you know, she lifts weights and stuff like that, so it's there. But anyway, you get the idea. It's called Keeping Up with Jay. I'll actually drop the link in the description box for this video so you guys can go over there and check it out, subscribe and do all the nice stuff. Alright, what's the total?
2301.
2003-01. Guys, legit, every time Judah drives, we get pulled over.
That's not true. Listen, just come and wind down window.
What kind of work you do?
Me?
Yeah.
Scam. A joke. I'm a businesswoman.
Just ready to drive
I'm a businesswoman.
General, I'm a picture you take.
No.
I'm in my video. In my video, the encounter.
Right, dog, man.
So I'm not taking it down, right? Why I'm not taking it down for you?
Yeah?
Keeping up with Jay.
Yeah. And his own is Soai. SOAI.
Soai.
Yeah.
We keep up on your subscriber.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day, officer.
Thank you.
You're welcome, bye.
Alright, crazy enough, guys. We got stopped by the police just now. It was a good encounter, to be quite honest. It was quite jovial, quite funny. Hopefully, the first one was a bit more stern. Yeah, hopefully we got like two additional subscribers to Keeping Up with Jay and Soai Vlogs. To be quite honest, I'm honest with you guys, I don't really like police encounters. Even when I have all my documents and stuff, it's always just a very, I don't know, it never normally feels friendly, but that one was pretty okay. So anyway, we're gonna head to the room now. I have the groceries that we might be needing for today. Knowing Judah, it's gonna off in our one night, so anyway, let's do this. Alright, so of course we're back on property right now, so we're gonna grab a quick lunch. Lunch closes off at 4:30 and dinner starts at 4:30. So we're gonna grab something really quick to eat. For dinner, well, I'll show you guys in the next part what they have for dinner, but they do have the traditional Jamaican stuff. And yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get something to order and you guys will see what I get.
Probably a burger.
You can get burger, you can get snapper, you can get snapper, sandwich,
fish.
and a fish. I'm holding, so you can 79, 5 to 79. The easiest.
Guys, yo, it's crazy, yo. I definitely just want to say, like, we stopped there, talked to the people. Well, mostly Judah was talking to persons about lunch or whatever. So lunch is ordered, and the customer service here has been like really great so far. And the reason why I put it over the top is because usually we find, like, as Jamaicans, whenever we travel in our own countries, like them, you know, it kind of make you feel away, as if, like, you know, we're not as special as tourists and stuff. But here it has been A1 so far. But anyway, we got to go to the supermarket, get some stuff. You guys saw what I bought, came to about $2,300. I like doing stuff like that so you guys have an idea of what the price spectrum of stuff are. If you come to Jamaica and you decide to, you know, buy stuff or, you know, snacks, you have an idea. For me, my rule of thumb whenever I travel, I always want to know the price of bread. If I know the price of bread, I can almost tell how struggling an economy is or how expensive things can be. But anyway, guys, we're gonna wrap the videos up here. I'll catch you guys back whenever we're gonna grab some lunch. I'll tell you how good it is, because that's the next part about any accommodation, the food. You know, nothing is inclusive here, so hopefully it's good. Catch you guys in the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.